I flew under the radar.
Nice job, Pete.
Thanks, mate. Good on you.
He's claiming to have flown under the radar. That's a little hard, Pete. Come on in.
Thanks,
Get a
mate.
photo.
Stealth bomber.
Now, Pete, you're only one of 2 golfers to play better than their handicap for 72 holes this week, which will mean that we give you a lower handicap when you come next year. You've been coming a few years now. You've always got this thing on and recording videos and the other things. What is it you love so much about Thailand?
Well, here is the magnificent thing that's put on by you and Mark from Go Golfing Golf Asian. Just the people and the people I play with, and I've decided I'm going to retire here.
Well, that's fantastic. The guys from Lazudi Real Estate, they'll be looking for you in a minute. Anyone else you want to thank as part of the week here?
Well, yeah, I'd like to thank Cloud. And the reason is I was at Springfield on Tuesday, and I didn't realise Cloud was standing behind me. And I was talking to Peter Gibbons, and I got my cart on my own. And I said to Pete, I said, either Cloud really likes me or Cloud thinks I'm an overweight, unfit, fat bastard. And with that, Cloud piped up and said, the second one.
Well done, well played. Hope you enjoyed your time. We'll see you back here next time.
Thanks, Pete. Yeah, good on you.
Runner-up, 138 super points from Rakarana.
Thanks, girls.
Tim Pollard.
Pete. Well done, buddy.
Thanks, mate. Good on you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here's your voucher.
Oh, thank you. So,
I watched some of your videos last night.
yeah. Well, I've got to post a shitload more. Hey, where the fuck have you been? I've been trying to find you for your fucking missus, you dumb cunt. Fucking seriously. Thanks, baby. Appreciate it.
You'll have to
In the 35
beep out that last bit.
Sorry?
You'll have to beep out that last bit.
Oh, I hope it fucking worked too. I said, I hope it worked.
You'll be in the shit if it doesn't.
It was, wasn't it? Thank you. Thank you, darling. Good day today. Yeah. Good day.
Well done, big golf.
Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. It's good.
Well done.
Thank you for video. Appreciate it. Really do.
There's a chance for overweight fat Chance for overweight fat
Absolutely, there is, mate.
It's not still recording, is it?
Good on you. Thank you.
That's not still recording.
Yeah, it is.